Hello, lovely and my beautiful people. Welcome to RosyTastyKitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my tomato and red bell pepper paste, and I've added a bit of other sauce, other ingredients, so that when I'm using it, I don't even have to start adding them again. Yeah, so this is how I make mine, and I'm going to show you from beginning how I started it. So you're welcome to my kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. So this is what I'm going to be showing you what to do, how I do mine. So the ingredient I'm using is this red bell pepper, and I'm gonna be only the red one I'm using at this time. I'm using the red bell pepper, and I'm gonna use tomato, the fresh tomato. Yes, this fresh tomato. Yeah, those are the ingredients I'm using, and I'm using ginger, garlic, and I'm going to blend all of this together. Okay, so I'll blend all my tomato, put it in the pot, and I will boil it for some time, then I'll filter it. I'm not going to allow it to boil from beginning to the end to get dry. Okay, yes, so after blending everything, you can see I will boil it, then I'm not gonna leave it to boil till it's fully dried. And when I was blending it, I'm not adding water to blend. I try to blend only the tomato and the pepper. Okay, so I boil it and stir it so it doesn't boil out of the pot. And I'm going to be, yes, so that is how it looks. So these are the other ingredients I'm going to add: ginger, garlic, onions. Okay, I'm going to add that with my the sauce or the paste. So I clean my ginger and my garlic. I clean everything. Then I will blend it as well after cleaning them. So you just watch. Or when I finished, I was really blessed because it was very helpful for me. So whenever I want to use it, I can easily use it. And in this part of the world where we are, is sometimes you might not be able to get the tomato or the red bell pepper in a good price. So when is a bit cheaper, you can buy them and prepare them down, so that later on you can as well use it. Okay, and this can stay as long as you keep it in a good safe place, or maybe in the freezer if you know you are not using it soon. But if you are using it soon, you can as well, after frying with the oil, you can as well keep it in your fridge. Okay, so that is what I did. And I'm gonna put it together in a blender. I'm gonna blend it. I'll blend it, and yes. So I'll put it together. Cut it. I like to cut my ginger in round because of the rope. So if you cut it in the other way around, you'll be seeing some rope on your foot. So sometimes you cut it in the round, so you cut the rope as well that comes with it. So cut it very small, then I'll put it in my blender to blend. I want this to actually blend smooth. So after cutting it, I'm gonna put it on the blender for blending. It's not actually a long process, to be honest. It didn't take me much time to do it. It didn't take much time at all. And I tell you, I was happy that I did it. After putting these two ingredients together. I was really pleased with myself. Then I will cut the onions small. You can as well not put any cutting onions. You can do without putting any cutting onions. Okay. Yes. But this is how I did it. I cut the onions and I'm not selling it, it's for my own use. Okay. So you see, I don't want to use much of the onion. That's why I'm putting some of it back in the blender. Then I'm going to blend it. Okay. Yes. I'm going to blend it. Putting the fire on. While I'm going to go and blend that's the oil I'm using. I'm using vegetable olive oil blend. That's the ginger, the garlic. You can see I put a little bit of water. A lot at all. Then blend it to smooth. Put my tomato on, fry it for a short time, then I will now pour the other one on it. You can as well not put any other onions, but I decided to. Okay, so I fried it, put everything together. Oh gosh, this was really nice, honestly. You can see. So after boiling my pepper, I pour it on the fruit filter, then filter it properly so it's all dry. So I'm going to stir it properly together to mix it properly with all the ingredients I use. Yes. Yeah, stir it, add my maggi, my nut cube, as I tell you. I like my nut cube actually. So that is it. Stir it together. I'll cover it and leave it to boil for a while. Yes. This is a lot of sauce actually. You can see. And this is to make your work easy when you are making another food, because you can as well take your sauce in the fridge, just wash your rice and you put on the fire before you bath and come out. Your food is ready instead of preparing everything from the scratch. So I think this was for me very, very helpful. If I want to be making this down all the time, so I will have my sauce ready. And the reason why I'm making it, you see, after boiling it, this is how it looks. Look at it. Then I pour it in here and put it in my fridge. I'm not putting it in a freezer because I'm going to use it within a week or two. Okay. So you can see there was a frying oil, so that is going to keep it okay, safe. Leave it in my fridge. If I'm going to put it in a freezer, I will use a plastic bowl to do it. Okay. So this is how it looks. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for stopping by RosyTastyKitchen. Please subscribe to my channel. Show your support. Drop some comment. And thank you. God bless you for coming. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.